Wondering how to elevate your coding prowess by mastering a new programming language? This video will guide you through the journey, step by step. First things first, the choice of language. It's crucial to pick a programming language that aligns with your goals and interests. Are you aiming to build visually stunning websites? HTML and CSS might be your best bet. Or if you're more interested in data analysis, Python could be the way to go. The choice is yours, and it's important to make an informed decision based on your personal objectives and the industry's demand. Next, it's all about gathering resources. A plethora of online platforms offer comprehensive courses, tutorials, and exercises. Websites like Codecademy, Coursera, and Udemy are great starting points. Books and ebooks can also be valuable resources. Remember, the key is to find material that matches your learning style. Then, it's time to dive into the learning process. Here, consistency is king. Regular practice is the most effective way to grasp new concepts and techniques. It might be tempting to rush through lessons, but remember, understanding is more important than speed. Staying motivated can sometimes be challenging, especially when complex concepts start to emerge. This is where setting clear, achievable goals can help. And remember, every programmer has faced and overcome these challenges. You're not alone. To cement your knowledge, apply your skills to real-world projects. This could be anything from a simple calculator to a fully fledged web application. Not only does this provide practical experience, but it also gives you a tangible result to be proud of. Lastly, remember that learning a new programming language is a journey, not a destination. There will always be more to learn, more challenges to tackle, and more opportunities to grow. Embrace this journey and enjoy the process. To summarize, learning a new programming language involves choosing a suitable language, gathering resources, practicing regularly, staying motivated, and applying your skills to real-world projects. Remember, the world of coding is vast and exciting, with endless opportunities for growth and innovation. So why wait? Start your coding adventure today and unlock your potential. Before you go, make sure to subscribe for more insightful coding tutorials. And if you have a favorite programming language, share it in the comments below and tell us why you love it. And of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends who are also on their coding journey. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more coding adventures. Until next time, happy coding.